Hey everyone, check out this very limited series of videos of poor boy sandwiches from Tennessee, Morgan County to be exact, and the city was Lansing with a C. There were 8 of us about 40 years ago, and we were having to make things stretch. Uh-oh, wait, there we go. I just went back in time about 40 years. What you have is a contrast of the crunchy cucumbers with the creaminess of the mayonnaise and the softness of the bread. So you got the crunch and the softness. But it's simple. Cucumber right out of the garden. All you needed was bread and mayonnaise. It was great. But let's make up the other one, which has a different kind of contrast. We'll get to that in just a second. Since we have our gooey or soft part, we don't need that with the bread now, right? So we want contrast in our taste. So some of you may have already guessed. A BLT without the bacon or the lettuce. I have bacon and lettuce in the house now, but I didn't 40 years ago. If some of you are appalled at the amount of mayonnaise I'm using, go ahead and be appalled. And some of you are appalled at the amount of salt I'm using, you can likewise continue to be appalled. Wow, that was pretty good, wasn't it? Pretty simple, pretty cheap, very cool.